welcome to another review by TopTechTick. Today we're taking a look at the DBX digital barometer, which has been kindly provided for review by Aquatech Scientific LLC. The main feature of the DBX2 is to graphically display historical barometric pressure. This can then be used by the device and interpreted to give a suggested forecast for conditions over the coming 24 hours. The units come with the option of having the standard calibration test performed on them, or you can opt to have it NIST tested, which will come with a report for your barometer. In terms of the build quality, the device appears to be extremely well manufactured, and it certainly looks very professional. The front of the unit consists of the display screen and 5 push buttons. The side of the unit consists of the main power port as well as a backup battery port. A push of the LED button will turn the backlight on or off. Pushing the display button will change the current display on the screen between the graphs, the forecasts, and various other settings and statistics. Pushing the unit button can change the unit between millibars, inches of mercury, millimeters of mercury, psi, H2O feet, ATM, and PAS pascals of pressure. Pushing the mode button will change the current mode between local, sea level, or user-defined. And pushing the menu button will allow you to go into the various settings for the device. Scrolling across to the forecast screen will then show a variety of forecast information based on the pattern of the data. For example, the current 24-hour forecast will be displayed as a statement, such as stormy weather. The potential for precipitation is given as a percentage, with a trend arrow indicator. There is a current wind forecast. There is a forecast index as well, which shows the current direction of travel in terms of the forecast quality. And finally, there is also a current pressure trend arrow showing the direction of trend of air pressure. The main display screen shows the current barometric pressure reading in large, easy-to-read digits. Other important and useful information is also displayed here, such as the current mode, which can be varied between local, sea level, and user-defined. There is a section which will display any current unit warnings and information, such as rapid rise or drop alerts or pressure. There are also various warnings from storm warning, gust front warning, and even hurricane warning. There is another section on the main screen which tells the tendency of the weather between clear, dry, fair, change, precipitation, stormy, and cyclone. Yet another section tells you the rate of change between steady, slow, medium, and rapid. Another section will tell you the current unit of measure. Operation of the unit and navigation between the various screens was fairly straightforward, although we would have liked the buttons to be a little bit more secure, as at times they did feel quite loose. Overall, we have found using the DBX2 to be extremely reliable and trustworthy. And certainly the data that it has been recording and the forecasts it has given have been particularly close to the real conditions observed. There are certainly some extremely high-end features packed into this device, and it can be installed in a variety of locations, whether it's on board a boat or a ship at sea, or indeed land-based on your desktop. We are delighted to award the DBX2 a well-deserved 5 stars.